Hi, and welcome back to The Roman Co. I'm Rebecca. It has been several minutes since I have posted on YouTube. Lots happened. We moved from San Diego to Boston. We did a cross-country move, so I've just been kind of settling into my space, trying to figure out the city a little bit. So I thought to kind of kick us off, you hear a little clicking. Han Solo's walking around down here. So to kick us off, I was thinking I would just kind of do a weekend vlog. I've never done one of these, but I thought, hey, let's do it. Let's kind of, showcase what I do on a weekend. So it is actually the end of the weekend, but I did not film an intro, so I thought I would go ahead and film it. So we're gonna go back in time to Friday evening and then work our way up through Saturday, Sunday, and we'll be back here. So we are going out tonight to the north end of Boston, which is the Italian district. So we are going to an Italian restaurant. A couple things I need to consider when I am thinking about my outfit. One, the weather is getting a little more chilly. It is September, so I'm probably gonna have a lightweight jacket. Second thing is in the North End. It is one of the oldest neighborhoods in the country. So the streets are brick and they're uneven, so be very careful with my shoes. So no stilettos. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my outfit for tonight. As per tradition, Johnny and I generally take a shot of some sort of alcoholic beverage. Notice though that it is a baby one because we can't handle our alcohol these days. So cheers and cheers. Hello, it is Saturday. I was up very early this morning. I woke up at 6 a.m., saw what was left of the sun rising, took the pup out for a walk, a little potty break. Then I went on my 3-mile run, but I had to go to the North End. After my run, I went to the North End, shipped off a Poshmark package. And by the way, check out my Poshmark. I'll link it in the description below. But we definitely had to downsize when we moved here, and I had to do a massive closet clean out. So check it out. Lots of good stuff, and I'm not done posting everything. So every week I think I post something new. After the post office, I went to the farmer's market. I didn't buy anything. I'm pretty good on produce right now, but it was nice to walk through and see what they had. And then I stopped and got us some Dunkin' iced tea, which isn't my favorite iced tea, but it's a very Boston thing to do. Hair and makeup is done for today, and I will be getting dressed. Okay, so for today's look, it's about 70. It's gonna be around 70 to 80 degrees today, but there will be cloud cover. I still think I'm gonna be okay with this white denim jumpsuit. Worn it a couple times. Oh no, there's a stain there. Maybe I can get that out right before. Let me try it. I'll be back. Okay, I was able to get the stain out. Tide pen for the win. So I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear some espadrilles, probably a tote bag, jewelry, maybe a scarf as an accessory somewhere. And that's the look. So hopefully there's a little more sunlight today, so I'll show you the entire fit. Whereas last night it was really dark by the time I finished getting dressed. So let's do it. We are going to brunch at Cafe Bonjour. At Cafe Bonjour. Bonjour. Yeah, there you go. And that's it. we are done with our dinner, and in an attempt to meet new people, we're going to go to our rooftop, drink some wine with our neighbors. Now, I'm wearing jeans right now, and I haven't worn jeans in probably over a year. But we'll see how this goes. It's a little breezy. It's around 70 degrees, but we're on the roof. And once that sun drops, I have a feeling it's going to get really cold. So this is perfect. I'm actually going to put some rains on, and then, yeah, we're headed up to the roof. Bedroom. It is a little quieter in here, although Hansel is playing with his toys. I asked everyone on my Instagram stories what I should do today. I'm feeling very creative. Also, too, this is my day to be productive and get stuff done. So I'm thinking of sewing, drawing, or writing. So I do have a blog article that I need to release. Which will also then lead to content for a video that I'm going to shoot. Oh my gosh. I think I need to let him out of the room. Okay. Much better. Okay. So I'm also sitting on my windowsill right here. It's quite nice. So should I sew, write, draw? I've been kind of starting to do some fashion illustrations, or learning how to do it. Not very good, but you know, it's fun. I'm thinking about finishing the project I was working on yesterday, but I also have a blog article that I need to write and release. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of both. I'm gonna do some blog content, so I'm gonna write, and some sewing. So let's do it. So I am in my workspace. So I have my work desk, and then I have my kind of crafty sewing station behind me, or behind the desk. And it's really messy. So I have a couple options here. I could either clean it up and then sew, or I can work somewhere else, or I think those are my two options. I think I'm going to go with that. I could not do it, but I don't want to do that. So I think I'm going to clean. Then I'll start getting into some of the projects. So guess I'm cleaning today. That is it. Thank you all so much for joining and following along on my weekend journey. You know, I don't do too much on the weekends, but thought, hey, might as well bring you along. I may do a few more of these. Let me know if you like the kind of weekend vlog. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate your support. It also helps me determine what you want to see from me. Until next time, wear what you love.